Today we are going to create the production order. To create the production order, T code is CO01. Hit enter. Give your final product for which you want to create the production order. Production order is used to track your manufacturing process. Now give here order type, hit enter. Now how many quantity you want to produce? Give here quantity. Let us first start with 1, then 2, then 10, then 5. First let us learn with 1. Let's say we are going to manufacture one laptop underscore 6, this laptop. You can select the date, start date and end date. If you give backward, then you have to give the end date. System will calculate the start date. Similarly, you have different date are there. Select current date. Hit enter. If you select current date, system will automatically select the current date. Now observe the tab here. Come to here. Here. See, this is important. Check all your plan costing variant, actual costing variant, costing key, RA key, then all these settings, all this should pick here. Then another very important is a master data. Come to here. Make sure your BOM and routings are picking here. Okay, routing and BOM. Sorry, this is the routing here below. Your BOM. Make sure your BOM and routing is picking. Then only this production quantity cost will be calculated properly. So once all these details are populated, minimum this information at least you see. Go to control, make sure all this data are fetched and go to master data and make sure BOM and routing are picked. At least this information you have to observe. Okay. Then you can click on cost calculate. If you don't click also not a problem, but better click on cost calculate. Okay, cost determined for this one quantity of production. Then save it. This is the production order. You can go to change mode again. Go to change mode. See, production order picks automatically, hit enter. So once you create it, see it got create, parcel create, and settlement rule also got maintained. If you want to see the settlement rule, go to here. Here you can check settlement rule. So settlement category it picks material, and it is going to settle to this product. Come back. Then you have to release it. Once you create the production order, you have to release it. If you don't release it, you cannot book any goods issue or goods receipt or activity confirmation. Nothing you can book on this order. Before releasing, you cannot book any kind of expenses. So release it. Okay. Again, better save it. Again, go enter. You can go to display mode also, not a problem. Now go to here. Cost. First check balance. Balance means how much you have booked, any goods issue, any activity confirmation, any overhead. So you have not booked anything. So it is 0. It is 0. Now go to again cost, go to analysis. Okay, so you have different here. You have layout. SAP has given different layout. You can select, but right now cost trend. Try to understand this. This is very important. So first of all, check plan cost. How plan cost calculates? Plan cost will calculate based on your standard costing. The way your standard cost calculate, same way your plan cost will calculate. Same way. Here we just say plan cost. And in controlling, please remember there are different words are there. Somewhere they say plan cost, somewhere they say standard cost, somewhere they will say actual cost, somewhere they will say target cost, somewhere they will say control cost. So these different names are there. So try to understand, because all of a sudden business will ask all this question. What is this plan cost? Then you have to know from where this is calculating. Now this will calculate the way your standard cost is calculated. So here, see here, this is how your standard cost you have calculated for one quantity. For one quantity laptop, you have BOM. In BOM you have keyboard and chip. And you need 4 keyboard to produce one laptop and 3 chip. And this is the rate picking from the material master, and this is how you have calculated. So since your production order quantity is also 1, same way it is calculating here also. This 3 4 3 multiplied by material rate and 4 multiplied by material rate. So 15,000 and 240. See, same it is calculating 15,240. Let me post keyboard first. Sorry, chip. Keyboard I'll put here and chip I'll put first. Like this, chip and keyboard. So see, it is calculating this way. This is standard costing. This one. Now next, come to activity confirmation. So it is plan cost. Plan cost. See here. This is your activity 100. You can expand it here. See 100. 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. Total 44449.202. So same way it is calculating. The way your standard cost is calculated, same way your plan cost is also calculated. Next, your overhead. If you see overhead, it is for 3591. So come to here and check your overhead. How much? 5841. 584 yen. How come 36? Sorry, I just modified here, right? This one formula got changed. It's equal to SM. This one. Then 15% on material cost. 5841.92. See, this is your material overhead. Then system is showing this goods receipt, how it will calculate your number of quantity you are producing multiplied by standard price given in the finished product. This way it will calculate. Is there any doubt in plan cost calculation? Anybody has not understood up to here? Anybody has not understood? Okay. I'll consider the silence and no. Now I'm going to put 2 quantity. So you understand here, 2 quantity, hit enter. Calculate it. Recalculate it. Now go to here, analysis it. Again come to here, your Excel sheet also you modify. Okay, so this was for one quantity. This was for one quantity. I'll multiply by 2. Now 2 quantity are producing. So multiplied by this 2. Multiplied by this 2. So total your material cost will become this much. Observe it. So your chip cost become 30,000. See here, plant quantity also it is consuming. So here also you can increase. To produce one quantity, it was 1. Now to produce 2 quantity, you need 6 material. To produce, you need 6, 2 quantity is equal to 6 quantity. And again, don't multiply then this here again quantity. Okay. So to produce one quantity, you needed 3 chip. Now to produce 2 quantity, you need 6 chip. To produce one quantity of laptop, you need 4 keyboard. Now to produce 2, you need 8. Then rate multiply. This is the, you are getting the price. This is what same it is calculated 6, 8 and this one. Similarly, go for confirmation means activity. So to produce one laptop, you need these are the hour. Now first one is a fixed. First one is a fixed nature. So either you produce one quantity, 5 quantity, this will not get multiplied. This will get multiplied. If you are producing 2, then it will get multiplied with 2. So total labor activity to produce 2 laptop need 10 hours multiplied by here. Multiplied by 2. Again, it's equal to multiplied by 2. Again, it's equal to multiplied by 2. Again, is equal to multiplied by 2. Like this. So these are the hour to produce 2 quantity finished product. These are the hour. And these are the rate and these are the cost. So total cost it is calculating 84,857. See 84,857. This is for 2 quantity. Similarly, your overhead percentage will get calculate 11,003. See here, come to here 11,360 and total cost become this much. Now this one, 2 quantity are producing. So 2 quantity multiplied by your standard price in the material master. This goods receipt. Let me put here. 2 quantity are producing. So this is the one. 131. 131 this one. 131,061. So this is how plan cost is calculating. Please again shoot out question if you have any in the plan cost. Total plan cost. Anybody has any question?